What's good, YouTube? Your boy Tenken Gadgets is here, and today I'm doing my Tesla Model 3 video. Look, man, it's been a long time coming, but we got it. We got it, man. And I gotta say that I am impressed with this car. Driving the Tesla Model 3 around, this car is by far the most exciting car I've ever driven. Just the way it drives, the way it responds, the way it flies, the safety measures, everything about the Tesla. I see why people really love Tesla, and it's a whole different community when you have a Tesla. It's crazy, but there are some drawbacks that I don't like, and I will explain them. It's not much, it's just a little thing here and there, but it's not that deep. But I will also explain that in this video. So what is it like to have a Tesla Model 3? Honestly, one of the things you get to see is if you have a performance version like this is, like I have right now, people really compliment you a lot when you outside and someone walks by your car and sees your car. The person's like, oh wow, I love your car. It's really, is it the, like, I think people just know that your car is kind of a performance version because they see the tires and they know, oh, this is not a regular Model 3 kind of car. This is a little bit different, and that compliment is kind of uplifting sometimes. Something else you gotta get used to is driving long distances to charge, especially when you live in cities that are not having enough EV charge stations. So the best thing to do is actually just have your charger right at home. So install your charger at home, your supercharger at home. It costs about $800 to $1,000, something like that, and then you can plug when you get home and get full charge by morning. I think another feature that I love about the car is the steering wheel really grips you when you are driving really fast. It has that grip, and I think that also applies to the diaphragm of the car. The way the car is built, aerodynamics is really well thought of. So when you're driving really fast, you have more grip, more downforce because of the rail wings, and there are I don't know what they call it, fenders or whatever they call it, for air to pass through. So like it's really crazy how you drive this car over 85 miles an hour. There's a speed limit that the car will allow you to drive for safety measures, but you activate sport mode and you go all the way. When you do that, woof, oh my god, it's a whole different experience. One other thing is the interior of the car is carbon fiber interior. There is a cup holder, no, not cup holder, there's a little stuff here for placement of anything like phones, mostly phones, because when you put a phone down here, it starts to charge automatically. I haven't tried putting an AirPod down there to see if it will charge. I should try that. I should really try that. So what other feature about this car that is just dope? Sentry mode, having the car on sentry mode is cool, and your car kind of have this mode where it records by itself while it's on park, so you can come back and see footage if anything happened around your car, any activities happen around your car. You can come back and see the footage. The UI is really engaging, to be honest with you. The interface is so engaging, that Tesla screen, but I wish this center console was movable. Like, I wish the console could move to a certain direction, so you can tilt it to this side or tilt it toward you or move it up or down. Yeah, that would have made it better, but it's not really a big deal. Honest, it's still wide enough to look at and also keep your focus on the road as well and do stuff. But yeah, pretty much we got it, man. I'm really excited to bring you all this video, and yeah, it feels nice when you drive an EV around town and you don't have to bother about gas, because at the end, gas prices, when you look at it, you are really spending a lot of money when you buy gas. People spend 60 bucks, 50 bucks on gas, and some people buy gas twice a week. I charge for $7, and I don't let my car go below 40%. So when it's 40%, I just charge it, and I don't spend. The highest I spent is 10 bucks. That's the highest. That is really, really good, and that saves you a ton of money when you calculate. That's crazy. That's crazy. Now let's look at one thing that I really don't like about this car is the interior space is small, but I get it. It's a compact car, so it's really compact, and it's supposed to be, because you're not buying the Model S or the Model X. You're buying the Model 3 that is supposed to be like an economy version, a smaller version than the other versions of the car. So the seating is really small, very compact. The back seat is even smaller, no leg room at the back. Also, that hatchback feel at the rear makes it kind of a little bit, when you're driving, your mirror have to be really positioned nicely, or you have to use the dash cam mirrors, because you will not get that full field of view when you're driving looking at your back or rear view mirror. But other than that, I think this car is everything and even more than what I thought it would be. Elon knows what the hell he's doing, to be honest with you. This is special. When you zoom out, it tells you all the charging stations around, and you can see the closest one to you. Interesting, very interesting. Summon mode, autopilot, city streets and driving. It's just really special. It's just really special. But yeah, that's pretty much the video today, man. I'm having fun with this Tesla, and yeah, I'm looking forward to what the future holds for the company and for Elon and other EV companies as well that are potentially going to flood the market with EV vehicles. But anyway, that's all I got to say about this video, man. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, man, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay frosty, and I'm out. Peace.